Welcome to another video of Draw and Design. In today's video, we will learn how to install structural rebar couplers. So stay with us and watch the full video. As you can see, we have a column with rebars installed, and we have some gaps between these two rebars and these two rebars. All of these rebars we have to install rebar couplings. To do so, we have to learn something, that on both rebars which we are going to install couplings, they should not be very far from each other, and they also should not be very near or overlapping to each other. So there must be a very little gap between two rebars. To install the coupling, we should go to Structure tab and then click on Rebar Couplers in Reinforcement section. Click on Rebar Couplers. Then we must find out that what diameter of rebars are installed in our drawing. So we can select the same diameter for the couplers also. Let's find out the rebar diameter. Click on this rebar and we can see that we have 22. So to install the rebar couplers, we will click on this rebar coupler and then we will select 22 mm rebar coupler. This one is CPL 22 mm. We will select this one, and to install we have to select one rebar and then the other rebar. As you can see, one coupler is installed. Same goes with all the rebars. We have to select one rebar and then another rebar. For this one also we have to select this rebar and the other rebar. Let's find out if there is a too much gap between these two rebars. Let's make it like this and then try out the couplings. Click on rebar coupler, click on this rebar and the other rebar. So this will join two rebars with a single coupling. Also we have to install a coupler in this area. As you can see, all the couplers are installed. I hope you learned to install the rebar couplings. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye.